This morning, Wall Street is bracing for another nosedive, triggered by President Trump's global trade war, with those sweeping tariffs targeting America's trading partners leading to a dramatic sell-off last week. Stocks plunging 10% over 2 days, erasing nearly $6 trillion of market value. And recession forecasts growing, JPMorgan now expecting the economy to contract under the weight of the tariffs and that a recession will drive unemployment up to 5.3%. President Trump on Air Force One overnight asked about the turmoil.
Now, what's going to happen with the market, I can't tell you, but I can tell you our country has gotten a lot stronger.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent on Meet the Press brushing off fears of a downturn.
There doesn't have to be a recession. Who knows how the market is going to react in a day, in a week. What we are looking at is building the long-term economic fundamentals for prosperity.
Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell at a business conference Friday said the Fed is waiting to see how tariffs will affect its economic outlook, warning they could lead to higher prices for consumers in the long run.
While tariffs are highly likely to generate at least a temporary rise in inflation, it's also possible that the effects could be more persistent.
All countries hit with a baseline tariff of 10%, with many charged much more, leading countries like China and Canada to respond with retaliatory tariffs. The president has suggested he's open to negotiations, but is setting trade deficits as a red line.
They're dying to make a deal, but I said, we're not going to have deficits with your country. We're not going to do that, because to me a deficit is a loss.
Meantime, anxiety and anger over the Trump administration's policies fueling protests from coast to coast over the weekend.
I think America is in terrible distress.
Trump and Musk have got to go!
More than 1,400 demonstrations, according to organizers, taking aim at the president and billionaire Elon Musk's efforts to slash the size of the federal government.
And business leaders are just beginning to speak up about this, you guys. A billionaire Bill Ackman, a Trump backer, calls these tariffs a mistake and urged a 90-day pause to negotiate with these countries before new tariffs go in. He says the president is losing the confidence of business leaders around the world. This is not what we voted for. He says we're heading for a self-induced economic nuclear winter. We should start hunkering down.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.